Hello everyone, this is Rachel live from Kalkine Studios and you're watching the IPO Corner. Now this weekly show is dedicated to the IPO market with public offerings and all important information about listing companies. However, before investing in shares, investors need to understand the business prospects and operations in detail, such as future risks and returns. Now, this can include changing the IPO price or issuance date as companies see fit. Let's look at some proposed IPO listings scheduled for this week. First on the list is a glass products manufacturer and supplier called Australia Sunny Glass Group. The company completed a $2.1 million initial public offer and has admitted to the official list of the National Stock Exchange of Australia in July 2020. Australia Sunny Glass Group plans to progress its growth objectives to support its proposed migration from New Zealand Stock Exchange to the Australian Securities Exchange. It's undertaken a $7.5 million public offering at a 35-cent issue price. According to the ASX website, it plans to list on the 26th of July at 11 AM Australian Eastern Standard Time. Townshend Capital is engaged as the lead manager for the IPO process. Next up, we have Sierra Rutile, a multi-mine mineral sands operation straddling the Bonte and Moyamba districts in southern Sierra Leone with over 2,200 employees. It's one of the largest private employers in Sierra Leone. Its mining and mineral process operations include 4 wet concentrator plants, a mineral separation plant and associated infrastructure. Sierra Rutile also holds one of the world's largest known natural rutile deposits, the Sembihan project. Now, according to the ASX website, it plans to list on the 27th of July at 11 AM Australian Eastern Standard Time. Well, it's time to wrap up the IPO Corner show, but let me share this information with you first. Before investing in IPOs, investors must check the company's credibility and the track record. Risk appetite level varies by investors, and they need to consider factors such as analyst views, brokerage ratings, industry outlook, financial performance and peer review before making an investment decision. Also, it's important to note that companies can change the IPO price or issuance date as they see fit. Well, that's all for now for the IPO Corner show. Stay tuned to Kalkine TV. We've got many more shows lined up for you with live updates across the economy, markets and sectors. This is Rachel signing off for now.